Welcome to M2O Exposed, where you get an inside look at the life of an organizer. My name is Schae. I'm a certified professional organizer and the co-founder of Mission to Organize. Not everyone has a spacious linen closet to store their towels and bedding, including me. But that's okay. In my line of work, we have to make magic happen in small city spaces and old vintage buildings like the one where my husband and I live. I'm going to show you around so that you can see the creative ways that I manage my linens. Stay tuned to find out how to minimize your collection and store it efficiently. As with most organizing projects, you'll want to start by sorting all of your items into piles. Gather all of the towels, sheets, blankets, tablecloths, and napkins from every corner of your home. Separate each category into its own pile, and then look through the pile, checking for any stains, tears, fading, or pilling. Depending on how many items you have in each category, you may decide that it's time to donate a few or more things. Consider not only the condition of the item, but the size of the location where you're going to store each item when making your decisions. If you have only one shelf to store your towels, only keep as many towels as fits right there. Homeless shelters are in need of linens, so do a good deed and help someone in need. I've never told my mother, but it turns out that to this day, I'm still folding towels the way she taught me back when I was little. While there's no really right or wrong way to fold a towel, there are a few things that you'll want to keep in mind. One key to folding is matching up the corners precisely. Start by folding your towel in half. Most bath towels can be folded in half again and then folded into thirds. This technique works in most cases, but remember that the exact fold that you will need to use depends on a few factors. You'll want to consider the size of the towel. Bigger ones need more folds and smaller ones need less. And the depth and width of the shelf or basket where you plan to store these items. As always, make sure that the smooth side of the fold faces out. Our clients often ask us the million-dollar question: how in the world do you fold a fitted sheet? Well, I will admit that it is a little tricky, but we can do this. There are a bunch of videos dedicated solely to this topic, so I will show you briefly how we do it at M2O. Start with a large flat surface like a bed. Stick your hand into the corner of the fitted sheet. Fold it over so that you have four corners in two hands. With arms splayed out, lay the sheet on your flat surface. Fold over the curved part of the sheet so that you have a straight line. Then fold the sheet as you would a flat sheet, folding the curved section inside to hide it. Store sheets as a complete set, either stacked on top of each other or contained within the flat sheet or a pillowcase. You can also store sheets according to their category, with all of the pillowcases kept together, flat sheets in another spot, and so on. I have this small closet in the hallway just outside of the bathroom. Unfortunately, I'm not able to dedicate it to storing all of my linens because this is also where I keep my travel supplies, medicine, makeup, and hair accessories. The top of the closet, where I have my towels stored, is an ideal place to store linens because linens are typically lightweight. They are also usually big and fluffy, which makes them suitable for placing directly onto a shelf. You can also put linens into an oversized bin on the floor of your closet. No linen closet? Me neither. That's why we bought this really awesome pop-up bed that has all kinds of storage room available underneath. This is the place where we keep our extra pillows, comforters, sheets, towels for swimming, and even our travel pillows. We keep them inside of storage bags for bedding, and that keeps all of the dust out and protects everything really nicely. This is a great option for all of the linens that you use less frequently, and you can also do the same thing even if you don't have this type of bed. Just use a flat tote with wheels. Hopefully, after seeing how I have managed my linens, you have a few new ideas on how you can sort, declutter, fold, contain, and store your own linens. Here at Mission to Organize, we strive to inspire you through our organizing videos, our blog posts, and our social media. So why not follow, like, and share? Now is the perfect time to subscribe to M2O TV so you don't miss out on any of that inspiration. Comment below if you'd like to share your favorite linen organizing tips. We would love to hear from you. See you next time. Bye.